Apple Watch Series 7 45mm, a bigger and better display. The Apple Watch Series 7 45mm is the newest and most impressive smartwatch from Apple, with a display that is larger and more advanced than any other Apple Watch. The display has a re-engineered Always-On Retina technology that gives it more screen area and thinner borders than ever before. The display also has a special refractive edge that makes it look like the full-screen watch faces and apps are seamlessly connected to the curved case. The Apple Watch Series 7 45mm has a new user interface that takes advantage of the larger display, making it easier and more enjoyable to use, as well as two new watch faces, Contour and Modular Duo, that are made for the new device. The Apple Watch Series 7 45mm is not only bigger, but also stronger than any other Apple Watch. It has a front crystal that is stronger and more resistant to cracks. It is the first Apple Watch to have an IP6X certification for dust resistance, and it still has a WR50 water resistance rating. The Apple Watch Series 7 45mm also charges faster than previous models, with up to 33% faster charging times. It has a battery life of 18 hours, a blood oxygen sensor and app, an ECG app, and many other features for health and wellness. The Apple Watch Series 7 45mm comes in 5 new aluminum case colors, and many new band colors and styles. How to replace your Apple Watch Series 7 45mm screen. Accidents happen, and sometimes our cherished Apple Watch can end up with a cracked or damaged screen. However, finding a trustworthy repair center that can replace the screen with precision and efficiency can be a daunting task. Enter Sydney CBD Repair Centre, a team of experts known for their exceptional skills in replacing screens on Apple products, including the Apple Watch Series 7 45mm model. In this article, we delve into their expertise, their use of genuine parts, estimated completion time, and customer-driven credibility. Expert screen replacement for Apple Watch Series 7 45mm model, prompt and reliable service by Sydney CBD Repair Centre. You might be wondering how to get it fixed. You have two options. You can either send it to Apple for a costly and time-consuming repair, or you can visit Sydney CBD Repair Centre and get it done in just 2 hours with genuine parts. Sydney CBD Repair Centre offers Apple Watch Series 7 45mm screen replacement starting at $260 AUD. They use only genuine parts that are compatible with your device and ensure its functionality and durability. They also offer a 3-month warranty for their repairs, so you can rest assured that your watch is in good hands. To get your Apple Watch Series 7 45mm screen replaced, all you need to do is book an appointment online or call them at 02-8011-4119. They are open Monday to Friday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. and Saturday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. You can drop off your watch at their shop in the Sydney CBD or mail it to them if you live outside the area. They will fix it within 2 hours and return it to you as good as new. Expertise and genuine parts. Sydney CBD Repair Centre boasts a team of highly skilled technicians who possess the necessary expertise to handle Apple products, particularly the Apple Watch Series 7 45mm model's screen replacement. Their technicians are certified and undergo regular training to stay up to date with the latest technologies and repair techniques. Their commitment to quality extends to the parts they use. Sydney CBD Repair Centre exclusively employs genuine Apple parts, ensuring that your Apple Watch retains its original functionality and aesthetics. Genuine parts not only guarantee a seamless fit, but they also provide reassurance in terms of durability, performance, and longevity. Efficient turnaround time. When it comes to screen replacements, people often want their devices repaired promptly. Sydney CBD Repair Centre understands this urgency and prides itself on a remarkably quick turnaround time. Depending on the complexity of the repair, they estimate it will take around 2 hours to replace the screen on your Apple Watch Series 7 45mm model. Credibility and customer satisfaction. A reputable repair center should have a proven track record of customer satisfaction. Sydney CBD Repair Centre meets this criterion with its impressive number of over 1,700 positive Google reviews. These reviews highlight the professionalism, transparency, and reliability demonstrated by their team during the entire repair process. Real-life examples and testimonials. The true testament to a repair center's quality lies in the experiences of satisfied customers. Let's consider a couple of real-life examples showcasing the level of service provided by Sydney CBD Repair Centre. John, a loyal customer, accidentally dropped his Apple Watch Series 7, leaving a devastating crack on the screen. Impressed by the positive reviews online, he decided to give Sydney CBD Repair Centre a try. John was pleased with their professionalism and the exceptional craftsmanship displayed during the screen replacement. Not only did they restore his Apple Watch to its former glory, but they also completed the repair within the estimated time frame. Mary, another satisfied customer, needed a quick screen replacement for her Apple Watch as she relied heavily on it for daily tasks and fitness tracking. Sydney CBD Repair Centre not only offered a swift service, but their friendly staff also ensured that she understood the entire process. Mary appreciated their attention to detail and the reasonable price for such high-quality repairs. When it comes to screen replacement for your Apple Watch Series 7 45mm model, there's no doubt that Sydney CBD Repair Centre stands out as a leader in the industry. With their team of certified technicians, use of genuine parts, speedy turnaround time, and an outstanding reputation backed by over 1,700 positive Google reviews, they provide a reliable and professional service that exceeds customer expectations. Their convenient operating schedule ensures that customers can avail themselves of their expertise without significant interruptions to their daily routines. Trust Sydney CBD Repair Centre to restore your Apple Watch to its original glory, giving you peace of mind and a flawless device once again.